Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week we are going to make a card for Mother's Day that says, "You are my sunshine," so that you can give to any special mom in your life. So I'm going to show you how we made this. Okay, so in your bag this week, you are going to have a sheet that says, "You are my sunshine" as your card. You'll have a couple of googly eye eyeballs, 2 letter M's so we can spell mom, and then a cupcake liner for our O in mom. And of course, you'll need a marker of some sort and of course glue. So the first thing we're going to do, which I'm taking disappearing purple, of course, I am going to take the cupcake liner. We're going to flatten it out just like so, just so it can be a nice round circle. And then we're going to put a bunch of glue on the outside part of it, or I should say the inside, not the outside. So that way we can lay it flat on the card. And that's going to be the O in mom. So once you put glue all over your cupcake liner, it might look a little bit like this with all the purple and the glue. And you're going to put it in the center of your card above "You Are My Sunshine." Oop. I made mine a little bit too big. I took one of the big, large cupcake liners instead of the right size. So mine looks a little bit ginormous, doesn't it? It's pretty big. But yours is going to look fabulous, right? So then the next part is taking our googly eyes, and we're going to put glue. You can either put glue on the back of your googly eyes, or you can put a little bit of glue on your cupcake liner where you want to put your eyeballs and glue it down that way. I'm going to put mine on my eyeballs. That way I know how much glue needs to go on it. And then, oops, look a little bit like this. Since my half sheet is a pink and so is my liner, it looks a little bit silly, huh? So what we're gonna do then to make it look like a sun, since our moms are the sunshine of our life, we're gonna give our sun a smiley face, and then see where these lines are? We're gonna draw a few lines with any sort of color marker all around it. That way it looks like the sun. So I'm gonna do a big smiley face first. And I'm going to start putting a bunch of lines all over my cupcake liner. And I'm going to use part of the lines already formed so I know what it's going to look like. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful our sun is. I love seeing all the little different rays of sun, don't you? And then the last part, almost last part, is taking the M's that you have in your bag, and we're going to put a bunch of glue on the back too. That way there'll be an M on each side of our sun. That way it spells out mom. So I'm going to put some glue on mine. And again, you can either put the glue on the back of the M like I did, or you can put a bunch of glue on part of your card where you want to put the letters so it can spell out mom. So that way your card is going to look a little something like this. And then you can give it to any special mom in your life. It can be your grandma, it can be your aunt, maybe a stepmom, maybe you have a sister that's a mom now. And then you can give them this, and then don't forget to sign the back either. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope that you click around and see what else you can find.